The biggest moment of the year in Gaelic football. Who will it be?
The All-Ireland final, one of the most memorable times of my life. I was carefree, to be honest. I was really just enjoying the moment.
It's that kind of mobile, fluid game. You can expect the number 2 to pop up in the number 15 position.
Bhí sé dul sús an park, bhí sé sin an áit ag an am seo mar bhín an na cúlia agus bhí na tusaí. So bhí job ag daoine agus just Jane the dog, but bhí sé ag dul sús an park.
This was the block down by Kieran Fitzgerald, who's one of the players of the year.
They were really strong at the time.
Knocking it in well. And that is kicked over the bar.
It was 6-6 at half-time and we hadn't performed well.
Here it comes again.
McDermott had won a penalty for Meath.
And the referee's giving a penalty.
Trevor Giles stood up to take it. He kicked it wide and you're going, oh, hang on, this could be our day.
Nice solo, good control. It might have been a goal at the other end. It's a point.
The last few minutes, I think we may have been 6 or 7 points up and you could really sit back and enjoy the occasion.
It is all over. And Galway are the Bank of Ireland All-Ireland football champions from 2001.
To experience that at the age of 20 was really nice.
Bhí réaltag an instant club an sin, réalt nua, réaltóg, agus bhí gataí féiceál.
This was all new to me. It was brilliant, like, and you get emotional, but yeah, it's makes it all worthwhile. To meet all these people and say thanks and hand them Sam Maguire, it was just like it blew my mind.
Galway became the first team to win through the qualifiers, and at that point the future looked very bright.